Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue our work. Last time we put the basic colors on our drawing. This time I'm going to put some lights and shadows and some background colors to our character. And first things first, we need to group together. Um, when we need to group these things together in a folder. What I usually do is I click on one, press Control, and then I choose all of these. Then click Control G. Then it's in a group. And let's name this as base color. Base color. Okay, there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put a new layer on top. And we're going to put first muna pala a background color on our character. And we're going to use a daytime sky background color. So I'm going to click over here and I'm going to paste this color. This will be the color of the sky. And I'm going to use the paint bucket tool. Open. Here's the paint bucket tool. Let's do a search for the paint bucket tool. Or maybe I'll just use the brush tool. I'll use the brush tool and I will set it on hard ground. Make it big by pressing the parentheses, the curly brackets key. Okay. Seems like I forgot to put some white color over here. I will just fast forward and apply it. Okay, there I already put some white color underneath. So I have placed I have placed a sky background color for our character, and now I'm going to start by making the color of the sky reflect on the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a layer on top of the base color group. Let's name this as sky reflection. Sky reflection, and then press Alt, click over here, and let's set this to. We will be copying this color again. We will be setting this to multiply, and what we're going to do is we'll be choosing our brush. I'll be using the soft round brush. For the color. As you notice that it's almost the same color as the sky. And then what we'll be doing next is that we'll be lighting it up a little bit. I'll change my brush into the soft round opacity brush. We can use the okay, so we need to check upon our original photo. And then as you can see, let's zoom out. Uh, we had to let's move it over here. Let's remove it. I think I have established already that this photo belonged to Diego Portrait from Pexels. So we have a guide. So that we have a guide on how will the light work on our character. So I'm going to bring it back. Okay. So we bring back the brush. I'm going to fast forward. Okay, so this so far is what I was able to do with my work. So I'm going to turn off the multiply, put it to normal. So as you can see, for the darker shadows, I use a darker version of this sky blue. And then to make some lighter portions, I use a lighter version of this color. And let's put it back to multiply. This is what it looks like without the multiply. It's flat. And now this is what it looks like with the multiply. Next, we'll be applying lighter shadows over here. Lighter shadows, the highlights. And then highlights. Let's set this to linear dodge. And I'll be setting the color. Okay, so I'll be putting the linear dodge. Okay, so let's try to remove it. This is what it looks like without the multiply. When you put the multiply, when you put the linear dodge. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll continue again tomorrow. See you next time.